In this problem, you are given an integer array nums of length n, representing a class of students. Each student has a specific condition for being happy. They will be happy if one of the following conditions is met. The student is selected, and the total number of selected students is strictly greater than nums I. The student is not selected, and the total number of selected students is strictly less than nums I. You want to determine how many ways there are to select a group of students such that all students are happy. The intuition behind the answer lies in the fact that you can't have a group size that falls within any student's specified happiness conditions. If the group size is strictly greater than a student's nums I, that student is unhappy because they are selected and wanted to be in a smaller group. If the group size is strictly smaller than nums I, the student is unhappy because they are not selected and wanted to be in a larger group. To solve this, you can follow these steps. Sort nums array in ascending order. Add negative infinity representing the smallest possible group size, and positive infinity representing the largest possible group size, to the array boundaries to avoid boundary checks. Iterate through the sorted nums array. At each step, you check if you can fit in the total number of students within the range specified by the current student's nums I. In essence, you're trying to find a position to cut the sorted array such that the students on the left side are selected, and those on the right side are not selected, while satisfying the conditions specified by each student's nums I. The count of valid positions where you can make this cut represents the number of ways to select a group of students that makes everyone happy. This approach has a time complexity of O(n) log n due to the initial sorting of the array, and it has a space complexity of O(n) to store the sorted nums array. In summary, the problem is about finding a way to group the students to meet their happiness conditions, and the answer is based on sorting the array and checking if there's a position to make a cut in the sorted array that satisfies these conditions for all students.